one, so they finally let us check into our room in advance. We are in room 53, so let's check it out. And they are here. It's tummy time for Chloe. Hi, Chloe. Do you like our room? Hi. A big mouth. You have a big mouth. And Zoe, do you like our room?
Yeah.
Yes. You're a mermaid. So we're gonna throw you in the ocean later?
Yeah.
Yes. Hey. Broken neck again? Oh no, Chloe, you okay? This is our window. And they got a TV here. Do not disturb, please make up my room, check out. And they got mirror, a big mirror. They got 2 beds, and this is our dresser. We already have a bag in it, and they also have another one over here, which is for the coffee. We're gonna need this because Zoe will ask for her milk later, and another. Got a lot of mirrors here. And this one is my favorite. It's not actually a drawer, but it's the bathroom. And it's so nice in here. They're painting, and they got... Look at this, ate. Yeah, chanelas, slippers. What's that? What is that? Do you want to swim there? You can put water in it.
Okay.
That's your pool. Do you like it here?
It's a toilet.
Yeah, that's our toilet. But you never use toilet because you're still pooping in your diaper.
It's a sink.
Yeah, that's a sink.
Brush her teeth.
She's checking everything. What else? Their shower. Can you check their shower? The shower is over there.
Shower.
Wow.
It's a shower.
Yeah, that's a shower.
Open it. Shower.
You're gonna take a shower?
Yeah.
Later. We're gonna swim first. Do you wanna swim?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go out. So this is like a hidden bathroom. I like it.
You want it?
Yeah. I'm so impressed with this place
I
right
want to
now.
sit there.
You want to sit there?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you sit?
Yeah, I want to sit.
Okay, if you can reach, you can sit.
I want to.
You want to check that?
Yeah.
Okay, go check it. What's in there? Ooh.
Water heater.
You can go in here. You want to hide there?
Hide there.
Nuh-uh. Why, are you scared? Okay, that's it for the room video. We'll be back later when we go swimming. Want to go swimming?
Yeah.
Yeah? Later, because it's still hot. Still hot outside. Right, Chloe? We're always confused about the name because somebody I know who named the second baby Chloe. And now we're always confused who's Chloe and who's Zoe. We always call Zoe Chloe and Chloe Zoe. Right, baby? Look at the children. They're wearing a matchy shirt. This one, it says little sister. And this one is it's a big sister, and they are matchy unicorn shirt. Oh, love, sister. Do you love your sister?
Yeah.
So much?
So much.
Can you kiss her if you love her? Mwah. Again, ate, again, ate. Zoe. Are you ready to swim now? Yay, we're going swimming. Ready? Oh, you go to auntie. Be careful, hold mommy. You might slide. Whoa. Oh. You're making me nervous. Wow. Go here. Go here to mommy. Come here. You swim here. Wow. Good job, ate. Oh, you're here now. Wow, the water is so nice. It's warm. It's not cold. Be careful, okay? How about you, Chloe? She likes the water too. Hi, I'm swimming too. Go, ate, go there. Go there, ate. Ooh. Oh. Are you okay? Okay. Oh, be careful. Hi, Chloe. Chloe's also enjoying. Hi, Chloe. Chloe, Stephanie. Don't do that. You're making me nervous. Good morning, everyone. We just had our breakfast and Zoe asked if she could swim. So right now she's swimming over there with her auntie. And Chloe is with me. Hello, do you have runny nose? Oh, yes you do. Poor baby. I'm sorry. There you go. She got runny nose and she's drooling because she is teething. Her tooth is coming out. Yeah, our children loves water. They never cried every time we give them bath, even the first time. Especially this one because she's so cranky in the first 5 months because she was colicky and she gets sticky eye. And when I gave her a first bath, I thought she'll cry, but she didn't. She's brave. You're brave, baby? I'm brave. Yeah, we're just gonna wait till Ned got here and we're going to McDonald's for our lunch. I really like this resort and I'll recommend it to everybody who wants to take a break for a while. But being a parent, it's like if you go to the other place for a vacation, it's not called vacation because you're still doing your parent thing, still taking care of the kids. Just to the other place, you're still gonna change diapers, so there's no break being a mother. But so far, ow, like this one is squirming. So far so good, right, baby? Chloe's getting better. She's not cranky. What? Are you trying to bite mommy? She's not as cranky as before. I just jigged myself. What? Are you hungry? Okay, say bye-bye to them. Till next time, this is Chichai, baby Chloe, and Zoe, and sister over there. Till next time on My Philippine Dreams. Babush!